from here, keep your knees together, and we're going to lift the right knee off the floor and cross the right knee behind the left. So look down at your knees now and try to set your knees up so they're more even down the center of your mat, and separate your feet wide apart. Start to push off your hands, starting to sit back onto the floor between your feet, and then lifting upright. So sitting on the floor this way can be quite challenging for those with tighter hips. So if you need to, bring the floor up to meet you and place a yoga block right underneath your hips. You'll still get the benefits of this pose. Okay? Now from here, whether you're on a block or not, interlace your fingers over your top knee, lift your chest and your heart, and then as much as you can, try to distribute your weight evenly across the left and right side of your hips. Release your chin down towards your chest. Gentle compression on the thyroid gland. Breathe your shoulders back and down. And then an action that you really won't be able to see, but hopefully you can feel, is press the knee slightly forward into the webbing of your hands. Lift the left knee just an inch from the right, and then keep pressing the knee forward into the hands. As your head comes forward, your shoulders naturally want to follow. But resist that and keep your shoulders back. While you're here, try to relax any tension in your jaw. So even though our lips are together, create a separation as if they were a Q-tip between your upper and your bottom molars. Release the tongue from the roof of your mouth. And on your next inhale, we'll lift the head back up. Plant the hands down in front of you, and then return to your knees. And then uncrossing the knees just so they're side by side again. All right, so we'll do the same thing on the other side. Bringing that left foot up in the air. This is going to allow you to get the knee to cross behind the right one. Kind of pick up both knees and get them to the middle of your mat, and then separate your feet to about the width of your mat. Start to push off of your hands, off of your top knee, and begin to make your way back between your feet. Now again, the option here to use your yoga block. Try to adjust the knees so you've created this arrow with your legs pointing straight ahead. Interlace your fingers over that top knee here. Lift your chest and heart, and then breathe your chin down towards your chest. Gently press the kneecap into the webbing of your hands. Lift the right knee an inch away from your left knee. Keep pressing the knee into the hands. Now close your eyes here and feel the facial muscles relax. Feel the skin drawing away from the bones of the face. Again, relaxing the jaw, the corners of the mouth, not holding tension unnecessarily. And while the right hip might want to lift on you, try to sit as deeply into the right hip as your left hip. Notice if you might be somehow holding the right hip up. And on your next inhale, lift the head. Place your hands out in front of you and start to roll back up onto the knees. Rearrange the knees again so that they're side by side. Okay.